This is the 10-pack acrylic mini chalkboard signs for food. They're black mini tabletop chalkboard signs, and these are perfect, and exactly what I purchased them and have used them for is buffet tables, or if we've had potluck dinners and everyone's bringing a crock pot and everyone wants to know, well, what's this? What's in this one? What's in this one? It's easy to just label what's in each of the dishes. I mean, you can just write the name of the dish, or you can write the ingredients, or these can be used for weddings as table numbers. If you've got a crowd and you want to know which table everyone needs to sit at, you can make these into the cutest little designs. Now, obviously, I'm just freestyling here, so it's not going to be perfect, but you get the idea. These are the cutest little accessories to your next event.